Diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even autoimmune conditions have all been linked to poor gut health. The good news? You can actually start healing your gut with the right foods. In this video, I'll share the top 3 foods backed by science that restore your gut, protect you from disease, and help your body heal from within. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from so I can send you a quick hello. And don't forget to grab your free health cheat sheet in the description. It's packed with foods and tips to keep your gut strong. All right, let's get into it. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. Think of it like an ecosystem. When it's balanced, your body thrives. But when it's out of balance, inflammation takes over, your immune system weakens, and your risk of disease skyrockets. That's why what you eat really matters. So let's talk about the first food. The first food you should be eating more of is fermented foods. Things like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. These are packed with probiotics, the good bacteria your gut needs to stay strong. Studies show that fermented foods boost microbiome diversity, reduce inflammation, and even strengthen your immune defenses. For example, kimchi isn't just a spicy side dish, it's loaded with lactobacillus, a type of bacteria that strengthens your gut lining and improves digestion. So if you've been dealing with bloating, low energy, or even skin issues, fermented foods act like a reset button for your gut. The second category is prebiotic fiber foods. These are just as important as probiotics because they feed the healthy bacteria in your gut. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats act as fuel for your microbes. When your bacteria ferment these fibers, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Butyrate is a game changer. It reduces inflammation in your colon, protects against colorectal cancer, and strengthens your immune system. Think of prebiotics as fertilizer for your internal garden. Without them, probiotics can't do their job. And finally, green tea. Most people know it for weight loss, but here's what they don't know. Green tea contains special plant compounds, polyphenols, that reshape your gut bacteria in powerful ways. Research shows green tea increases beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria while lowering harmful microbes linked to obesity and cancer. These polyphenols also act like antioxidants, protecting your DNA and lowering oxidative stress in your cells. So even just a daily cup of green tea doesn't just calm your mind, it actively heals your gut and shields your body from disease. So there you have it. Fermented foods to add good bacteria, prebiotic fibers to feed them, and green tea to protect your gut and your DNA. Add these 3 foods to your diet and you'll be well on your way to fixing your gut. And if you want even more foods to heal your gut, watch this next video where I dive deeper into it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to grab your free cheat sheet below. It's packed with science-backed foods and recipes to strengthen your health defenses. I'll see you in the next video.